California is in another exceptional drought. And that means we all need to do what we can to use water wisely. The less water we waste, the more water we have to use at home, to keep our businesses running, and to fight fires. Today's tip to conserve in Contra Costa is to use mulch. Mulch reduces the amount of water that evaporates from your soil, which means you'll be able to water less. In our area, mulch is also great at breaking up clay and allowing better movement of water through the soil. Adding 2 to 3 inches of mulch can save 20 to 30 gallons each time you water your yard. So get out there and mulch like you mean it. During this drought, let's conserve in Contra Costa.